So, you want to make a ragdoll system to make your game more realistic and fun. Well, today is your lucky day because I will be showing you how to make the best ragdoll system in Roblox Studio. First, open up a new template and then add a script into Server Script Service. Rename it to whatever you want. Now type what I type. Let's see if it works. It works.
Yippee!
If you want to learn more on how to make Roblox games or like videos like this, then click the screen to watch more and subscribe to never miss another video. Bye.